Hi dear friend, welcome back to my channel Tech Bidda. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to share phone internet to your PC with USB cable. Before we start the video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button of this video. So let's get started the video. Here in this video we are going to use mobile phone internet in our computer. In my PC I have Wi-Fi option but I'm not going to use it. Okay, so let me show you how you can connect internet in our computer from the Android device. First of all, connect your phone to the computer with a USB cable. Okay, after that go to your phone screen and here we need to enable USB tethering option. So pull down notification bar and click on settings icon. Then find out here connection and sharing. Click on it. Here as you can see USB tethering, you have to just enable it. I'm gonna enable it. That's it. Now make sure your phone internet connection is okay. It can be Wi-Fi or it can be mobile data, anything. Any types of internet connection will work on your computer. Here in my PC you can see I have got a new Ethernet icon. That means PC is connected with phone internet. So now let me check my internet. Is it working or not? If I go to any browser and if I go to YouTube,
imagine creating stunning websites in just 1 minute with over.
You can see it's working properly. So friend, that's the way how you can use your phone internet with your PC. I hope this video is helpful for you. So please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching this video.